Backpack, dusty boots on the ground. Tents going up while the sun goes down. Guitars screaming somewhere far away, and the whole field buzzing for the first band to play. Strangers laughing like we're old friends. Nobody asking where the weekend ends. Phones die, stars coming out. Just follow the sound of the crowd. Morning comes with a tired grin. Someone's guitar and a plastic cup of gin. Sunburned stories, muddy feet. Another band warming up down the street. Different accents, same old song. By sunset we're all singing along. Lost voices raising a toast to the loudest place we know. 3 days of noise under open skies. Nothing to do but feel alive. Cheap drinks, loud songs, midnight firelight. Dancing in the dust all night. No maps, no plan, just where the music goes. Faces and flags from every road. 3 days where the whole world feels right. Living inside the sound tonight. Maybe we'll never meet again. Different cities, different friends. But right now under these lights, we're the same heart in the night. 3 days of noise, guitars in the rain, shouting every wild refrain. Sunrise, smoking, tired eyes, but nobody wants goodbye. No walls, no clocks, just endless roads. 1,000 voices in one show. 3 days where we all ignite. Living inside the sound tonight. When the last stamp fades away, we still hear those songs for days.